Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we introduce area and solve for the area of rectangles using the formula. Area is the measure of space inside of a flat shape or surface. It is a two-dimensional space, so we measure it in square units such as square inches. So if the shape that you're given is simple enough and drawn on some kind of grid, you can find area simply by counting the square units inside your shape. So in this rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square units inside of our rectangle. So our area is 8 units squared. But most of the time, you're going to want to use the formula to solve for area. And the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals L times W, where L is our length and W is our width. So that formula is length times width. And in our problems, you're going to see me use a cursive L and W when I label length and width. So let's go back to the example and use our formula. So the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. And I know my length is 4 units and my width is 2 units. And it's a good habit to get into to label your length and your width and anything else in the geometry problem. So I have area equals length. Well, my length is 4, so I'm going to substitute 4 for L in the formula, times width. My width is 2, so I'll substitute 2 for the W in my formula, and then I multiply. So my area is equal to 8 units squared because 4 times 2 is 8. In this example, our rectangle is 3 yards by 8 yards, and we're going to solve for area using that formula, area equals length times width. So my length is 8 yards, my width is 3 yards, and I'm going to the formula and I'm going to substitute those values. So I'm going to have area equals length. Well, my length is 8, so I'm going to substitute 8 for L times width. My width is 3, so I'll substitute the 3 for the W, and area equals 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and I'm working in yards, and area is square units, so I'll have 24 yards squared. This rectangle is 23 meters by 10 meters, and we're going to use our formula area equals length times width to calculate the area of our rectangle. So our rectangle has a length of 23 meters and a width of 10 meters. And in my formula, I'm just going to substitute those values. So I'll have area equals length. Well, my length is 23 meters, so I'm going to substitute 23 for the length times our width. Well, our width is 10 meters, so I'm going to substitute 10 for the W. Then I'll have area equals 23 times 10 is 230. And because area is square units, it'll be 230 meters squared. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.